last will and testament of Armando Rollhorse. I've just placed this 6x10, 6x9 roughly C channel underneath this trailer. Unshored, hot as hell. 3/32 rods. Starting amperage is 85. Electrodes are 718. C channel is in place. My battery may run out soon, so I'm going to do what I can with this. See how it goes. Okay, the electrode holder, I'm sorry, grounded. The electrode here. What I'm doing is I'm shoring up, or actually reinforcing the chassis of this mobile home. It's a double wide mobile home. All we had to do was add on additional axles and cross members to take the additional weight of the stucco applied to this monstrosity. So collectively, both parts with stucco is in excess of 80,000 pounds. So I'm doing what I can in the field with this setup I've got, and with the time allotted. I've got a remaining day, in fact, before this has to be moved, and I'll see what happens and see how I get through this today. Highly likely I'll get it done, but you never know. Okay. Excuse me. Bless me. Salud. Espanol, Mexicanos, whatever say. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Let's see here. I'm going to tack it in place first. And that way it doesn't twist on. Tack. That's 2 tacks. Let's see, these leads will reach all the way over here. 9 feet away. Oh. Okay. Okay. I got that tacked in place. Alright, everything is squared up already. I ran a square on the inside and the outside there. Everything is flush, so just about. I got maybe a 1/16 distance between this I-beam and this C-channel. So I'm going to run a vertical up pass on the inside here, vertical up pass on the inside here, full length weld here on the outside, and on the inside probably 2 stitch welds just to ensure it doesn't twist. So let me see if I can get this started. We'll go from there. Okay. And what I'm using today, I forgot to say earlier, is these Lincoln electrodes 7018 3/32 rods. I want to get technical about it. It's the Lincoln 7018 AC-RSP rods picked up at the local Lowe's. Okay, ran the first vertical up pass there. And what I'm going to do now, so the weld is evenly distributed and I'm not pulling off to one side or heating one side more than the other at once, I'm going to jump over to this side, weld here to ensure my heat is distributed. Okay, let's see if we can get this guy finished here. Cool off there. By the way, I'm doing this entirely by myself. Nobody around but a dog. In all likelihood only speaks Spanish or understands Spanish. A lonely old bull over in the corner over there. And the occasional giant spiders. No rodents yet. Now back over to this side. Heat distribution. If I had the time and the space, I'd do the same thing on that side to allow for this side to cool. But I've got limited space and limited time, so I'm going to do this side first, then do that side. Today I'm using my pipeliner hood. I was using a 4.5 by 4 auto darkening hood before, but given a lot of the work is overhead, I had to switch up to this because of the sparks would cause, mainly because of the paint still applied to this thing. I mean, the time the guy or whatever, for the time allowed, I needed to just weld on top of it, or weld and burn it away as I was welding it out. It's creating quite the spatter mess. At any rate, let me finish this out here. Not as hot. Okay, switch it to different. Now, I'm going to do this. Whoa. Okay. Excuse me. I have to take breaks intermittently so to allow for the machine to calm down, because it's got a 20% duty cycle. 20% duty cycle refers to 10-minute points. Okay? So you multiply 20% times 10 minutes. So 20% of 10 minutes approximately equates, I don't know, what do you think, 2 minutes? 10% of 2 minutes, or 20% of 2 minutes? Or 10 minutes? What am I saying? 20% of 10 minutes. Right? Anyway. That's why I keep stopping. I can't continuously keep burning the rods. This little machine here, a Miller Thunderbolt XL, might trip the breaker or shut down because of that duty cycle. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. And I don't know if I got enough space to see in there. Let me check. Looks like I got enough space, but I don't know if my hood can fit in there or not. I don't know. Let me strike the arc and see if I can see it. It's kind of dark. I don't have my auto darkening hood, so this is kind of tight. Ah. I don't know if you can see all that smoke, but that's what I'm dealing with. Okay, that's one side. I'm going to continue the same way with the other. So, let me show you. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the vertical up. Hold on, let me see if I can get a light going on. I don't think the camera has the capability of doing that. No, we'll have to turn it on beforehand. At any rate, vertical up there, 1/8 fillet weld there, 1/8 meeting the rise and the run from the hip to the toe, toe to the top. Also there, fillet weld all the way across, 1/8. I haven't knocked off the slag. Up here on top as well. I don't know if you can see it, it's probably all dark. That is a 2-inch fillet weld I had placed there. So that's going to be repeated on that end there. And the other is going to be placed somewhere there, but I've got a PVC pipe running through the middle. PVC pipe running through the middle of this trailer that's in the way. And I don't think I can fit this. I just had a thought, but I don't know, I'll work it out in a minute. So, I'm going to continue this and then go charge my phone.